Hello, myself Sinchan from NMM Institute of Technology, and this presentation is about my internship work on diabetes prediction using machine learning. Diabetes is a disease caused by variation of insulin in our body, and there are various types of diabetes. Accurate screening and diagnosis of diabetes require more effective features. Earlier diagnosis of diabetes increases the chances of preventing it from becoming severe. In this project, machine learning concept is used. It is a concept which allows the machine to learn from examples and experiences. There are various types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, known or labeled data is used, as shown in the diagram. In unsupervised learning, unknown or unlabeled data is used, as shown here. So, reinforcement learning, the algorithm discovers data through a process of trial and error and then decides what action results in higher rewards, as it is shown here, and the output is given. Now, looking into methodologies of machine learning, they are data collection, data preparation, choosing model, training model, evaluation of the model, parameter tuning, and make predictions using the parameters. So these are the algorithms used in this project. K nearest neighbor algorithm. It is a non-parametric lazy learning algorithm. Its main purpose is to use a database in which the data points are separated into several classes to predict the classification. Then decision tree. Decision tree is a decision support tool that uses a tree-like model. It is one of the way to display an algorithm that only contains conditional and control statements as shown in the figure. Logistic regression is a supervised learning classification algorithm. It is one of the simplest machine learning algorithm. It is used in many applications like such as spam detection, diabetes prediction, cancer detection, etc. Then support vector machine. It is a supervised learning model. This learning algorithm analyzes data for classification and regression analysis. Naïve based algorithm. This is a probabilistic algorithm which is used for binary as well as multi-class classification. It is the most popular choice for text classification problems. And finally, artificial neural networks. It is a collection of connected units or nodes called as artificial neurons. Here we'll be having input layer and output layer. In this project, I've used single hidden layer, and this looks like this. And confusion matrix is a way of representation of how our uh, model is performing. We'll be having true positive, false negative, and true negative. As shown in this figure, sick people correctly predicted as sick by the model is shown in true positive, and healthy people correctly predicted as not sick by the model is represented by true negative. And this is used for calculating the accuracy of the model. Looking into the results, correlation, this is called as correlation matrix. It represents the correlation between different parameters that are given. And here are the different results using a histogram. This is glucose level for positive patients, pregnancies for positive, blood pressure for positive patients, skin thickness of all positive patients. This is insulin level for positive. This body mass index for positive. This is diabetes pedigree function for positive patients. This histogram is for age for all the positive patients. And this is the confusion matrix for different algorithms. As I've used two different methods for data cleaning. One is column deletion method and other is replacing by mean method. These are the confusion matrix for different algorithms. Here are the accuracies for different algorithms. Here it shows that column deletion method performed well with most algorithms as shown here, and replacing by mean method performed around 0.8 and 0.7. Now looking into the code, first I've imported pandas, numpy, matplotlib, cborn and keras as shown here. Then the diabetes.csv file is taken in. It is having 768 rows and 9 columns as it is represented over here. Uh, this describe function describes it with count, mean, std, minimum and different percentages as shown. Um, these are all the initial representations. This is the visualization of our data set. This is the correlation matrix that we have talked about. And this plot shows diabetes outcome of positive and negative patients. This is 1 is positive and 0 is negative. And these are all the visualization results. And here I will use two methods. One is column deletion method. The code is over here, and this is method 2, replacing by mean. Uh, Here the KNN algorithm is ran with the first method, and as we can see, the accuracy is 0.99. For decision tree classifier, it is 1, and so on for different algorithms as shown here, and epochs for artificial neural network, and this is the final accuracy for the first method. Now I'm running the code with the second data cleaning method, that is replacing by mean, and as the result is showing, the accuracies have changed, and it is 0.81 for KNN, 0.7 for decision tree, and different accuracies for various algorithms as shown here, and finally for artificial neural network is around 0.8. So this was all about my project and my internship work. Thank you.